Hi, Carly. It looks like you really understand spreadsheets, but I wanted to show you something that you may not know about. And I created an extra column so I could show you, and then you could just delete this and make the corrections as needed. And I added a couple of comments to these cells. So for instance, I can see that you made a VLOOKUP table and you did the correct formula, but where you have the F17 to G25, you should have made that absolute so that when you use the fill handle to copy the formulas down, it would still keep this array of cells, because remember, by default, Google Sheets will default to a relative cell reference. So if you take this formula that's entered in here and you drag it down, if you use the fill handle and drag it down, you can see that each of the cells, then it changes it from F17 to G25 to, it thinks, okay, now you want it to go one row down, F18 to G26. And so this will make the formula not work. What you need to do is you need to either make this absolute, which you can do by putting dollar signs in front of each one. So I will do that right now. Or you can name the array of cells, which is how I like to do it. But let's just go do that for now. So let's see, I've done that here. And now if you copy this down, it will work. And as you can see, each of these cells has that same, it goes to this same reference. All right, so another way, and I'll just show you in this column, and you can get rid of this and fix this however you like. But what I like to do is I'll take the VLOOKUP table. So we'll select those cells and then go to data and go to named ranges. And we'll call this letter, whoops, add a range here. We'll call this letter scores. And then it shows that it's F17 to G25, done. So now what you can do is I'll just kind of show you. So we'll do this formula equals V lookup. And I like to just click that. It's so much easier. And we're going to say, let's see, we're looking at the average score here. And then comma, and what do we call it? Letter scores. So right here. That makes it an absolute cell reference, and then comma 2, returning the second column. There we go. And then if we click that, use the fill handle, drag it down. Well, let's make sure I can drag the fill handle down here. There we go. It's copied that formula down and has calculated the correct letter score. So again, you can go back in here and delete and change things as you want. But I just wanted to make sure you understood that when you should just have to use the fill handle to copy a formula down. You wouldn't have to enter the formula in each of these cells. I hope this quick video has helped you understand a little bit better about how to use the VLOOKUP function, and also how to use the fill handle to copy the cells down, and the importance of the absolute cell reference.